Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to be disassembling the Nomad wireless charger for the Tesla Model 3. That's what it looks like. And we're going to take these screws off the back. Pop this back cover off. So this back plate here has got some weight to it. And if you peel this off here, this foam piece, this is just foam. You've got this steel plate in the back. And that just unglues. And so this is added probably for two reasons. One, to make it feel like more of a quality product, has some weight to it. And two, to keep it from bouncing around inside the Model 3. It keeps it more planted when it's in position. But this is, that's a substantial piece right there. It's got some weight to it. Without it, obviously, super light. Now we've got the main piece here. And this board, this printed circuit board right here, is held on by one tiny Phillips screw in the center. And this should just lift right out. Disconnect these wires here. And there is our printed circuit board. And you can see you've got your little copper coils here. And your power input right to the board. And that is literally as simple as it gets. For all of you curious about what it looked like inside that wireless charger, here you go. That's it. Pretty simple. Here's a bit of a closer look at that printed circuit board. And this is the, behind here is the LED. Catch you guys in the next video.